Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best pickleball paddles. I have made my research, and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option, or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the pickleball paddles in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. The hidden word is Dinkmaster. We will pick a winner and notify them when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to register with your email address on the page linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best pickleball paddles on the market right now. Coming at number 10, we've got the Mayboom Pickleball Paddle. The Mayboom Pickleball Paddle is a solid entry-level option for beginners looking to dip their toes into pickleball without breaking the bank. This USAPA-approved paddle comes in a set that includes 2 or 4 paddles, 4 pickleball balls, and a carrying bag, making it a great value for casual players or families. Its fiberglass surface provides decent traction for basic shots, and the polypropylene honeycomb core keeps it lightweight at around 7.8 ounces. The paddle's standard shape and 4.25-inch grip circumference make it comfortable for most hand sizes, though it may feel a bit short for players with larger hands. While it's durable enough for recreational play, the Mayboom lacks the advanced materials like carbon fiber found in higher-end paddles, so it doesn't deliver the same level of spin or power. Control is adequate for dinks and volleys, but you might notice some inconsistency with off-center hits due to a smaller sweet spot. Priced around $40 for a set, it's an affordable choice for new players, but intermediate or competitive players may outgrow it quickly. Number 9, Professor Pickleball. At number 9, we have the Professor Pickleball, which isn't a paddle, but rather a paddle eraser designed to maintain raw carbon fiber paddles. While it's not a paddle itself, it's included here for its role in keeping your equipment in top shape, which is critical for performance. Made specifically for carbon fiber surfaces, this eraser removes ball residue, dirt, and scratches, helping restore the paddle's grip and spin potential. It's quick and effective, with users praising its ability to clean without damaging the paddle's texture. Weighing just a few ounces, it's portable and easy to toss in your bag. However, it's a niche product, only useful if you own a raw carbon fiber paddle like some of the higher-end models on this list. At around $15, it's a budget-friendly accessory, but its ranking reflects its limited scope compared to actual paddles. If you're serious about maintaining your gear, it's a must-have, but it won't directly improve your game. Coming at number 8, Pickle Pickleball Paddle. The Pickle Pickleball Paddle slides in at number 8, offering a lightweight and beginner-friendly option. This USAPA-approved paddle features a fiberglass surface and a polypropylene honeycomb core, weighing in at about 7.8 ounces. Designed in California, it emphasizes traction and stability, with a textured surface that provides decent spin for casual play. The set includes 2 paddles, 4 balls, and a carrying bag, typically priced around $50, making it another budget-conscious choice. The 4.13-inch grip is comfortable for smaller hands, and the paddle's standard shape supports control for dinks and drop shots. However, testers note it lacks the power needed for aggressive serves or drives, which may disappoint players looking for more pop. Durability is solid for recreational use, but the fiberglass face may wear faster than carbon fiber under heavy use. It's a great pick for casual players or beginners who prioritize control and affordability over advanced performance. Coming at number 7, Vinsuire Pickleball Paddle. Number 7 brings us to the Vinsuire Pickleball Paddle, a step up for players seeking a balance of affordability and performance. This USAPA-approved paddle also uses a fiberglass surface with a polypropylene honeycomb core, but it's slightly heavier at 8.1 ounces, giving it a bit more stability for harder shots. Priced around $45 for a set of 2 with 4 balls and a bag, it's a strong value proposition. The Vinsuire Smasher Pro, their flagship model, stands out with a carbon fiber surface option, offering improved spin and control for intermediate players. Reviewers praise its lightweight feel and forgiving sweet spot, which reduces mishits compared to cheaper paddles like the Mayboom. The 5-inch handle is long enough for larger hands, and the paddle's elongated shape provides extra reach. While it performs well for the price, it doesn't match the power or spin of premium carbon fiber paddles, and some users report minor durability issues with the edge guard after extended use. Still, it's a reliable choice for casual to intermediate players. Number 6, Dinkley Pickleball Paddle. Coming in at number 6 is the Dinkley Pickleball Paddle, a stylish and versatile option for beginners and intermediates. This USAPA-approved set includes 2 or 4 graphite or fiberglass paddles, 4 balls, and a carry bag, typically retailing for about $60. Weighing 8.2 ounces, it's well balanced for control and power, with a 4.25-inch grip that suits most players. The graphite surface option delivers better spin than fiberglass, making it a good fit for players working on topspin or slice shots. Testers highlight its aesthetic appeal and comfortable grip, which stays tacky even during long sessions. The paddle excels at dinks and drop shots with a forgiving sweet spot that helps with consistency. However, it's not as powerful as heavier paddles, and the fiberglass version may feel less responsive for advanced players. Durability is solid, though the edge guard could be sturdier. For players who want a good-looking paddle with reliable performance at a reasonable price, the Dinkley is a great pick. Coming in at number 5, Doulce Dom Pickleball Paddle. At number 5, we have the Doulce Dom Pickleball Paddle, a well-rounded choice for players moving beyond beginner status. This USAPA-approved paddle comes in sets of 2 or 4, with 4 balls and a bag, priced around $55. It offers both fiberglass and graphite surface options, with the graphite version providing superior spin and control. Weighing 8.3 ounces, it's slightly heavier than the Dinkley, offering a bit more power for drives while maintaining good touch for dinks. The 4.25-inch grip is comfortable, and the paddle's standard shape ensures a consistent sweet spot. Users appreciate its balanced performance, noting that it handles volleys and resets well, making it suitable for all court play. The edge guard is more durable than some lower-ranked paddles, but heavy hitters might notice minor wear over time. Compared to the Vinsuire, it offers a slight edge in spin potential, but it's not quite at the level of premium paddles. For intermediates on a budget, the Doulce Dom delivers solid value. Coming at number 4, Gary Pickleball Paddle. Number 4 is the Gary Pickleball Paddle, a standout for its carbon fiber surface, which elevates its performance for intermediate and advanced players. This USAPA-approved set includes 2 or 4 paddles, 6 balls, a bag, and grip tapes, priced around $70. At 8.4 ounces, it's on the heavier side, providing excellent plow-through for powerful shots, while still offering decent control for softer play. The carbon fiber face delivers impressive spin, rivaling some pricier paddles, and the polypropylene honeycomb core keeps it responsive. The 4.37-inch grip is slightly larger, ideal for players with bigger hands or those who prefer a two-handed backhand. Reviewers praise its durability and large sweet spot, which minimizes mishits. However, its weight might fatigue beginners during long sessions, and the price is a bit higher than other budget sets. Compared to the Doulce Dom, the Gary offers better spin and power, making it a great choice for competitive players who still want value. Number 3, Olani Graphite Pickleball Paddle. Coming in at number 3 is the Olani Graphite Pickleball Paddle, a premium option for players who prioritize spin and control. This USAPA-approved set includes 2 paddles, balls, a replacement grip, and a bag, retailing for about $80. Weighing 8.2 ounces, it strikes a great balance between power and finesse, with a graphite face that delivers exceptional spin and a responsive feel. The polypropylene honeycomb core ensures a large sweet spot, making it forgiving even on off-center hits. The 4.25-inch grip is comfortable and tacky, supporting quick transitions between forehand and backhand. Testers love its versatility, noting that it excels in dinks, drives, and volleys with enough pop for aggressive play. Durability is excellent, with a sturdy edge guard that holds up under heavy use. Compared to the Gari, the Olani feels lighter and more refined, though it's slightly less powerful. For players looking to step up their game without spending over $100, this paddle is a fantastic choice. Coming at number 2, Jonai Pickleball Paddle. At number 2, we have the Jonai Pickleball Paddle, a high-performance option that rivals some of the best paddles on the market. This USAPA-approved set includes 2 or 4 paddles, balls, and a bag, priced around $85. Available in fiberglass or graphite, the graphite version is the Star, offering superior spin and control at 8.3 ounces. The paddle's hybrid shape provides a slightly elongated hitting surface for extra reach, and the 4.37-inch grip is comfortable for most players. The polypropylene honeycomb core delivers a crisp, responsive feel, with a large sweet spot that enhances consistency. Reviewers rave about its all-court performance, from precise dinks to powerful drives, and its durability is top-notch, with minimal wear even after months of play. Compared to the Olani, the Jonai offers a bit more power and a more forgiving shape, making it ideal for intermediates and advanced players alike. For the price, it's hard to beat this level of quality. Number 1, Mayboom Pickleball Paddles. And finally, taking the top spot, we have the Mayboom Pickleball Paddles, the best overall pickleball paddles on this list. These USAPA-approved paddles come in sets of 2 or 4, with 4 balls and a bag priced around $90. Weighing 8.4 ounces, they feature a T700 carbon fiber surface, which delivers unmatched spin and power, paired with a polypropylene honeycomb core for a massive sweet spot. The 4.5-inch grip is slightly larger, perfect for players who want extra control or use two-handed shots. The paddle's elongated shape maximizes reach and plow-through, making it ideal for aggressive players who also need touch for dinks and resets. Testers praise its durability, with a robust edge guard and premium materials that hold up under intense play. Compared to the Jonai, the M10 offers superior spin and a more premium feel, rivaling paddles that cost twice as much. Whether you're an intermediate looking to elevate your game or an advanced player seeking a tournament-ready paddle, the Mayboom is the ultimate choice for quality, performance, and value. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best pickleball paddles. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you liked this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.